Hello my lovely friends, and today I'm going to teach you how to make Dahi Aloo. And Dahi means yogurt and Aloo means potato, and it's a quick and easy recipe. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first we are going to take this 3 medium potatoes, and this is enough for, I would say, 3 to 4 people. So here is the water, and once I peel all the 3 potatoes, I'm going to put it in there, and here I'm peeling all the potatoes. So as I told you, I put all these 3 potatoes in the water so that they don't get black while I'm cutting them. So now you can see I've already cut them into small pieces. I'm just cutting the last one, and just cut them into the pieces medium size, I would say, not too small, not too big. So here I have 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger and 3 green chilies, and chili according to your taste, and please add curry leaves. I didn't have that day. Here is my boiled potatoes. I just boiled them after cutting in microwave for 10 minutes and just strain the excess water. You can do that too, and you can boil the potatoes however you like. For me, this is the easy way. If I have only 3 or 4 potatoes, that's how I do it. So now I have this yogurt drink. I get this from Indian grocery store. If you have something like this, you can add. Otherwise, you just take the normal yogurt and mix in with the water and use it. And I'm going to just shake this so that I don't just get the water above. So see the consistency here, and you can just mix the water in the regular plain yogurt and get this consistency. So I have this, like I said, so I'm going to use it. And take a pan and definitely switch on your gas. Now I added 2 tablespoons of virgin oil, extra virgin olive oil, and I'll let it heat up for a minute. So now this is cumin seeds, which I'm going to add pretty soon. This is about 1 teaspoon of cumin seed. So now I'm going to add 3/4 spoon of mustard seeds, and I will let it heat up and crackle for about 30 seconds to a minute depending upon your gas. So now I'm going to add the chopped ginger and the green chilies, and like I told you before, if you have curry leaves, just add with ginger and green chilies according to your taste, and just mix it and let the ginger brown. And now I'm going to add these boiled potatoes. So there goes my boiled potatoes, and now I am going to mix everything together. So now let's start adding spices. I'm going to add about half a teaspoon to 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So now I'm adding chili powder, red chili powder, and I like it spicy, but you add according to your taste. So now I'm adding garam masala, and garam masala you can get anywhere in any Indian grocery store. You can get it very easily. Actually, I also added half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder. I don't know, it didn't show. Anyway, so now I'm adding salt. Add salt according to your taste. I don't know why that clip didn't record, or anyway, so let's move on. And now mix everything together. Even if you leave like this after cooking for, I would say, 5 to 7 minutes more, it is really yummy with the roti or dal rice or anything like that. I really love this dry aloo also. But now we are going to make dahi aloo. So yeah, here I'm telling you how good this dry potato looks. But now we are going to add yogurt, because as you know, we are making dahi aloo yogurt potato. So after yogurt has been added, put the gas on high and keep stirring until you see the this mixture getting boiled pretty good. You can see it boiling, so keep stirring until then. So when so once this starts boiling properly, mix it and just leave it. First put the gas on low medium and leave it for, I would say, another 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I think I would say, if you want to taste it for salt or spiciness, so you can do that too, and mix it in between. Maybe leave it for another couple minutes if you're adding anything later on, and it's ready. Please enjoy this with roti, paratha, puri, rice, anything what you like. And don't forget to comment below if you like this recipe, and also subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all my social media, and let me know if you have any questions. And here is my dinner ready with roti, and I'm going to enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.